Suffolk County Music Service presents The Sky, Session 2, a how to play guide for Wicket students.
In this session, we are going to warm up, play through what we learnt in Lesson 1, and then learn sections B and C of The Sky. By the end of this video, you will know everything you need to perform the whole piece. It's time to get ready to play. Do you remember how to put your left hand at the top of your recorder and your right hand down low? Put just the right amount of the instrument into your mouth with your tongue behind your top teeth, ready to say T for each note you play. Now sit up straight, ready to warm up. Thank you.
First, we're going to do a copy me activity, playing some 2-bar phrases using the notes G and A, which you will recognise from section A of the piece, learnt last week. Follow me. G, 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 A, A. G, 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 A. G, 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 A, A, A. A, G, 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 G. Well done. Now let's put down our recorders and stand up to do our rhythm words with actions for some 4-bar phrases. This will help us to learn the rhythms for section B. My turn first. Wait, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 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 walk. Wait, 2, 3, 4. Walk, walk, shh, shh. My turn again. Wait, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 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 walk. Wait, 2, 3, 4. Running, running, shh, shh. Well done. Do sit down.
How did you get on with practicing section A from the last session? In a moment, we will remember section A together. I will play the first time through, and you can play the repeat of section A.
Hey! Ha!
Now we are going to look at section C. You will notice it is actually identical to section A, except for a spoken ha in the last bar the second time. Let's start by learning this bar. I'll say the rhythm first, and then you copy me, please. Running, running, shh, ha. Good. In a moment, we will play section C together. I will play the first time through, and you will do the repeat. Your turn has the spoken ha at the end.
Well remembered. Now let's move on and learn section B.
Section B is the filling in the sandwich. In ternary form, A and C are like the bread each side, and section B is the tasty filling. It is different, so I suggest you pause the video to read the handy hints in the red boxes. You will see that section B uses the rhythms we practiced earlier in the lesson, and in addition to the notes G and A, which we've already used, we need to play the note one finger B and also the note C in the second time bar. To remember how to do C, think about the siren on A and C, which we tried in our warm-ups last time. Let's practice section B, a 4-bar phrase at a time. Your turn. B, B, A, G, A, G, G, G. Next line. Your turn. B, B, A, G, A, G, 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 G. We go back for the repeat, and this time on the second line, instead of the running quavers on G, you go to 2 walk notes on C. My turn first. Your turn. B, B, A, G, A, G, G, G. Next line. B, B, A, G, A, G, C, C. Good try. Now let's play the whole of section B, with me playing the first time through and you playing on the repeat. This means you don't play the running notes on G, you go straight to the high Cs.
Fantastic! Now you can play the whole piece through twice. The first time you'll play as a duet with a music service tutor. Then the video will give you a chance to play it on your own as a solo. Have fun! Well played. Remember, keep practicing this piece. It will get better and better.